I've had this PetSafe wireless fence for a year, and I never have to worry about it. Unlike the underground wire fence I used to have, this wireless pet fence is portable, so I can take it with me anywhere or give it to whoever is watching my dog in their home. Also, I never have to deal with broken wires nor worry about it when we get heavy snow. Setup is very fast. It only took me about 30 minutes. My dog quickly learned the new boundary because the color makes a sound before reaching the limit and being corrected. You can also set visual cues with the included flags. The color fit my Springer Spaniel well and stays charged for about 2 weeks. It charges very fast also, in about an hour. You can adjust how strong the correction level should be, and the boundary can be set from 22 to 105 feet in all directions, which is perfect for my quarter-acre yard. Just remember to never turn the transmitter off when your dog is wearing the collar. My dog sleeps with the collar on, and I only take it off to charge it, and I keep the transmitter on 24/7, and I haven't had any issues. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.